So this is the latest dynamic threat update for August 2015 called the Wi-Fi Covert Channel Bypass. And so the idea behind this one is that a malicious user can embed bits of data into management and data frames. And what they do with this is they can broadcast these packets out, and another malicious user on the other end can be listening for this data and can decrypt the message, so they can communicate covertly or via stealth methods and bypass any firewall or any type of IDS type of system that might be monitoring for this type of traffic. And typically you're going to be doing this over the wires. This is a little bit unique because it's done via wireless. So we have a couple tools here. We have our Kali Linux 1.1.x version, and there's another tool called Bunny, and it's available. It's basically a proof of concept tool, so it's not something that's that's polished, but again, it's a tool that can be used and that can be modified to be used. In this case here, we're adding in our adapter, and we are killing off any processes that might be attaching to our adapter. It's always a good idea to run the airmon-ng check kill command. That'll help out with any problems you might be having. And here we're going to go to GitHub and look for the Bunny source code, which is available for anybody. And you can modify the source code if you like. Again, this is a proof of concept. It's not very polished, and you really need to know what you're doing in order to get it to work. So there are a couple options to do. In our case, we'll be using the chat client mode just to kind of give you an idea of how it works. But you will need two systems. So we're going to go ahead and start up the client. Greg1 is the first one. And so what Bunny will do is it'll actually baseline the system. It'll listen in your environment for any wireless traffic so that it can basically blend in with the normal wireless traffic. So the second window here is actually a second client that I have running. So just to kind of demonstrate the communications back and forth, I type hello into one window, and then eventually I will see the hello in the secondary window. And again, so this is all done via not even being able to connect to a Wi-Fi network at all. And then from here you can see the Aeromagnet Enterprise triggering the Wi-Fi Covert Channel Bypass alarm. Now you will see a few alarms here because it is trying to blend in with the wireless traffic, so you're going to see a number of source MAC addresses, but these are all spoofed.